In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your eBay store to CJ Dropshipping. By the end, your eBay shop will be linked so products and orders can move smoothly between the two, saving you time on listings and fulfillment. Start by opening your CJ Dropshipping account. If you're new to CJ, create your account and sign in. If you already have one, just head to your dashboard. Everything we need is available right there, so keep your eBay login handy and make sure your browser allows pop-ups since the authorization opens in a new window. On the left side of the CJ dashboard, find the navigation panel and click Add Store. This is where CJ lists all of the platforms it can connect to. From the options, select eBay. Choosing the correct platform here is important because it tailors the connection to eBay's permissions and sync rules. Next, click Install. This action adds the eBay integration to your CJ account, so CJ knows you plan to connect an eBay store. After a moment, you'll see eBay appear in your interface confirming that the integration is available. If it doesn't appear right away, give the page a quick refresh. With eBay showing, click Add Store again to begin the actual authorization. Follow the prompts on your screen. You'll be guided through eBay's permission pages, where you review what access is being requested and confirm. If you're not already signed in to eBay in your browser, you may be asked to sign in before you can continue. Simply proceed through each screen, accept the permissions, and wait for the success message. Don't close the window until the process finishes and CJ returns you to the dashboard. Once authorization completes, your eBay store will show up as connected in CJ. That's your confirmation that the link is live. From here, CJ can sync product data and route orders for fulfillment based on the settings you'll manage inside CJ. If the status looks stuck or you don't see the store listed, refresh the page and try the authorization again by clicking Add Store and following the prompts. Also, temporarily pausing any aggressive pop-up or script blockers can help the permission window load properly. And that's it. You opened your CJ Dropshipping account, added the eBay platform, installed the integration, saw it appear, then authorized the connection by following the on-screen prompts. You're now ready to work more efficiently with your eBay store using CJ Dropshipping.